Welcome to Explore Learning. Today I will talk to you about the very basic knowledge of computer vision. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the subscription button. So let's go into today's topic. So we're going to be dealing with image processing, and the first thing we're going to be doing is to create a subtitle for this project. So we'll call it read and display an image. So let's convert this cell to a markdown and then run it. It becomes a title cell. Now the first thing we're going to do is to import the library. So the library we're going to use is the OpenCV library. So let's type import cv2. So we create a new cell. Let's read the image. So we'll use this function. So we define the variable equal to the function cv2.imRead. Open and close bracket. We get the part of the image we want to read, and then we copy and paste it into this field. So we put arrow and then the code and then paste this directory link. The reason why we use arrow is to invert the backward slash to forward slash. And then don't forget, we have to include the name of the image we want to read and the extension, which is .jpg. So we create a new cell. This cell is to display the image. So we use the function cv2.imshow, and then we define two parameters. One is the window name and then the image we want to read. So the window name is going to be picture and then comma the image we want to read. So the next thing we want to do is to display this image and allow this image to wait for as long as possible for infinite time. So we use the command cv2.waitKey, and then we open the bracket and then we put a 0 into the bracket, which indicates infinite time. So we put a comment to say wait until any key is pressed. So the next thing we're going to do is anytime whenever any key is pressed, let the window be destroyed. So we use cv2.destroy all windows, and then we put a comment to that, say destroy the image window. So let's run this and see the result. Okay, all right, and see we have the image. So close it with the close button, and then let's run it again so that we can press any key to close it. So if we press any key, it's going to close. So at this point, I've been able to show you a simple step on how to read and display your image using OpenCV. Now don't forget to share, like and comment if you have any question, and also click the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get an update each time we upload a new video. So thank you, stay blessed, bye.